Hey guys, it's Mr. G. Today we are going to recreate this. You'll notice it's bouncing in the shape of a triangle, but it's turning in and out of three different shapes in three different colors. So that's what we're going to learn how to do. So if we go into a new one, I have the shape already selected. Notice over here in Tools, I have the stroke off so it won't leave a line behind it. I think that's important. So my first one, I'll use the oval and I put it in the lower right hand corner. So I guess I'll leave this one black. Then here's what's new. It's called a blank keyframe. And I'm going to go to the 24th frame and I'm going to click a blank one. So there's nothing in our screen right now. I'm going to choose rectangle. Again, I have the stroke off. I'm going to change the color. Let's go to a blue one and I'm going to draw this all the way in the corner. So there's my square. Now I'm going to go to the 48th frame. So I'm going in 1 second in increments. I'm going to insert a blank one. This one's going to be a little bit different. I'm going to use the Polystar polygon tool, and down here I have mine set at 6, so I'll go with that, and then I want a new color. Maybe I'll go with red this time, and I'm going to draw it towards the middle top, so hopefully this will end up, looking like a triangle when they bounce around. And then I'm going to move it a little lower. That went higher. So there's my shapes. Now here's one little trick too, because we're going to need a keyframe in the 72nd one, which is going to be our last one. I'm going to do a blank frame. And I'm going to go back to my first one. Here's a nice trick for when you need to copy frames. I don't copy the shape. I come down to the frame and I right click it once it's selected and I click copy frame. Now I can go to the 72nd and now I can click paste frames. And let's test it. This should work. I'll hit the play button. Oh, no, it doesn't work. What did I forget? Yes, I got a highlight in between all three. Now right click and do create shape tween. And now let's try hitting play one more time. And there it goes. That's it. That's the challenge. You guys can go ahead and take on this challenge now with some shape tweens. Have fun.